ducks went out one day. Over the hills so far away. I see two little ducks one day. Over the hills so far away. Oh, my ducks are so far.
Go tackle him, Lace. He's on the opposite. Go on, put your foot in.
Good tackle, well done.
Yes, yes.
Good work, well done.
That's it. Well done.
Good work, well done.
You gotta go that way. You gotta shoot that way. Good kick though. Go on, Laci. Anna's watching you. Get it, Lace. Good pass. You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah? You want a drink? You alright? You take it off, or you okay? You think you'd be alright without it? Okay. Jacket's off, she means business, guys. You swapped ends now, so you're shooting into that goal, okay? So when you get it, kick it this way. Alright, dude?
I'm not standing around.
No, exactly. Bless her. But they'd already started by the time we got here, so she had no choice. She just ran on.
Probably bear.
Yeah. Well done, Laci! Woo! Oh, more spectators. Look, hello guys, nice of you to join us.
Hiya.
Go on, Lace.
Huh?
Go get it.
No.
How's it going?
His nose is bleeding just like yours.
Oh no.
In the ball.
Is he okay? Big kick, wasn't it? Kick it!
Kick it!
Yeah! Well done, Laci!
I can't kick the ball like that. I'm gonna tap.
Go on, Laci, go! Kick it down the line! Kick it! Kick it again! Oh! Red card. We'll take the goal. What?
Where is it?
Are you okay?
Go on then.
Go, go, go!
There, Liz. Oh, Rosie is wrapped up in the knee. Yeah.
How was football for 5 to 8 year olds?
Started.
What do you think? You good? Should we quickly pop back to the caravan?
Yeah.
Come on then.
High five me.
High five me in the vlog.
Quick,
Woo! Well done. Football complete. Let's go have a cup of tea. Yeah. Now we do that again at 11 o'clock. For 8 to 12 year olds, I think it is. It's Lily's turn.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I do subscribe our channel. Turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us 2 thumbs up. Bam! Bye guys. Bye guys.